Hello everyone, it's Songlin here. I am a home cook and I love eating. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is where I share simple, delicious, and healthy recipes that you can recreate at home. If that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and subscribe. I post every Monday and Thursday. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple caramel sauce. Lately, I have been super into making milk tea at home, and this caramel sauce is my favorite sweetener to use. Bubble tea shops in my city are just getting crazy expensive, and I'm definitely not willing to pay close to $10 for a cup of milk tea. If you feel the same way, I can certainly share my recipe with you in a future video. For now, let's make the caramel sauce. First, add sugar and water into a saucepan. A heavy bottom saucepan is always preferred because it provides even heating. Turn the stove on to medium heat. As the mixture heats up, you'll see sugar dissolve and then slowly turning into an amber color. Once that happens, turn off the heat immediately and add in the heavy cream. Don't panic if the mixture gets crazy bubbly and the caramel gets all seized up. Just keep stirring. Eventually, the solid caramel pieces will dissolve again with the residual heat and the mixture will become smooth. Stir the butter in, and optionally, you can add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of sea salt. And that's it. All that's left to do is to wait, as it needs to cool to room temperature. I did say this caramel sauce is simple, right? Also, don't worry if it feels a little runny at this stage. It will thicken as it cools down. If you are new to caramel making, this process can be a little intimidating. I have some tips that might be helpful for you. Just look for them in the description box below, together with the ingredient list. This caramel sauce can be used in so many ways. You can add it to your coffee or tea, or drizzle it onto your favorite ice cream, or to prevent apples from getting too healthy, dip them in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't. I am here every Monday and Thursday. Also, leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!